Pasuki. Hitendra, how many marks do you get? Okay, very good, Shravani. Hitendra. Sandeep, C. Yashwant, Pavan Kumar, Sushant. Tell me how many marks did you get? Please send me the message. Vasuki, how many marks do you get in mathematics and English? In self-assessment test? Have you checked that? Harini, why say Shiva Sai in English you got less marks? G Pavan, Deepika, okay, English 8, Math 8. Okay, good. Harini, G Pavan. English, okay, very good, excellent, C. Ashwan. Hitendra, how many marks do you get? No marks. Okay, Sandeep, how many marks do you get, dear? Sushant, Deepika, G Pavan. Okay, you are not giving the responses to me. Why? Okay, anyhow, dear children, we can start it the class now. So next chapter is 4 operations. Do you know that what are they? 4 operations. What are they? Do you know that? Do you know that? What are they, dear children? 4 operations are there, no? What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. English 8, Maths 7. Why G Pavan, you have got somewhat less marks? Next time, no one should have to get 7, 8, 9 marks. Okay, everyone should have to get 10 out of 10. Okay, dear children? Okay. So, now coming to that. Now, here what are they, dear children? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. How many operations are there? 4. How many operations are there, dear children? 4. What are they? Addition, note down in your notebook. In mathematics, we have 4 operations are there. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Have you copied down in your notebook, dear children? Have you copied down in your notebook? Give me the reply. Okay. Hitendra, how many marks do you get? You did not give the response to me. So now, okay, dear children. So on the screen, everyone have you look on the screen, dear children now. Now here a warm-up session is there. Already these 4 operations you have learnt in the lower classes, no? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. On that topic only, they have given few questions on that. So you should have to do it, dear children. Okay? You have to do this warm-up session. First of all, what is that? Match the following. First, you have to multiply these two numbers. Which answer will you get? That one you have to match it. And divide with the 16 table with the 496. And next subtraction, next addition, next multiplication. By doing of these operations, you have to match it the correct answer. Okay. Now next one is here. Next problem is they have given the word problem. What is that? Word problem has given. So you have to do what you have to do by reading of that number. Then you have to read it by reading of that number name. Wait, dear children. By reading of that number, so you should have to understand the word problem. After then here do the problem. Wait, here one more, here one box has came now. Next, see here now. Somraj had 1,78,500 in his bank account. Okay, now it's clear the screen. So Somraj had 1,78,500 in his bank account, and after 1 year, he withdrew the amount. Means he has drawn from the account the amount completely along with the interest of 20,489. He bought a laptop for his son worth 36,725. Dining table worth is 8,800 and the bike amount is 56,725 and deposited the rest in his wife's account. So from this 1,78,500, from then to these all things he has bought and remaining amount, whatever the amount has left, that one he has sent to his deposited in his wife's account. So first of all, you have to add it all these 20,000, 70, 36, 8,000, 56,000. From then to 1,78,500, that one you have to subtract it. Then remaining whatever the amount has left, that one you have, that is the answer for that. Okay. Okay, dear children. So now when I hear a few of the questions has given, that one is also you have to do it. Later I will send you the key of these questions, dear children. So today you have to do what is the homework for you. You have to complete the warm-up session. I will send you in the WhatsApp, dear children. Okay, don't worry, don't copy down. So now next we can go to the we can go to the chapter, first exercise. So first topic is here. What is the first topic? Properties of addition. What are the properties are there? What are the properties are there? There are 4 properties are there. Do you know that what are they, dear children? How many properties are there? 4. What are they? First one, order property. Note down in your notebook, please. How many properties are there in addition? 4. What are they? Order property. What is that? Dear children, are you getting the are you getting clear voice? Then one of them has sent me the message, please ma'am, you have to keep it in mute. No, Shravani, you are not getting clear voice. It's clear, no? Okay. Here, who is that? I don't know. 741A9088. No, someone has sent the message. No, ma'am. Sandeep. Okay. You are not getting my voice clearly. Ganesh. Okay. Did you get my voice clear? My voice is clear to you all. Okay, shall we go to that? So how many are they totally? We have 4 properties. Ganesh, I think your network problem, because of that. Remaining other students, they are getting the clear voice. So for you only it's not getting properly, means it's the network problem. Okay, it's your network problem. So please you have to recheck it, or else you have to go out. You will get the clear. Okay. Now first one is, what is that property? Order property. ORDER. Now second one is grouping property. Second one is grouping property. What is that? Grouping property. Now third one is zero property. What is that? Zero property. Now fourth one is one property. What is that? One property. Okay, dear children. So first one, when we take to the first property, that is the order property. In this order property, what is that means? So for example, when we take any 2 numbers like 34, now actually when we take the 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, whatever the digits we can take it here. So when we are adding any 2 numbers, example 324 first number and the second number is 634. Okay, first number what is that? 324 and the second number is 624. When we take to this 2 number, when we add this, then we get here 948. Okay, yes or no, dear children? We get the answer here 948. So what is that second spelling? Grouping. Grouping. Grouping property. So when we change this order, second number if I keep it first and the first number when I keep it second, like see here 624 and 324. When I first number can I take it as the second and the second number can I take it as the first. Then when I change the order, then also we get the same answer in an addition. Okay, dear children. So now have you cleared on that? So when we are changing the order of the given numbers, then also we get the answer. We will get the sum remains the same number. Sum means result of the addition. Result of the addition we get the same answer. Okay, dear children. So once have a look on the screen, dear children. So they have given one example now. 4,82,648. It is the first number and the second number is 1,02,863. When we add this 2 number, we get the answer is 5,85,511. Okay. So now here when I am going to change the order of the numbers. Here second number 1 lakh is there, no? Now I kept in the first, and the first number 4 lakh is there, no? That one I have kept in the second. When I change the order of the given numbers, then also we get the answer is same. Okay, dear children, have you understood this property? Yes or no? Okay. Give me the response. Shravani, did you understand? Okay, dear. Now, the second property. When we are taken to the second property, okay, good. Second property is grouping property. What is that? Grouping property. Okay, good. Here in the grouping property, what is that means? So when we are adding any three numbers, when we are adding 3 or 4, whatever the numbers it might be. So when we take any numbers, so first of all, when first two numbers we are kept in one group. So one thing you should have to keep it in your mind. In mathematics, when you are doing any operation like addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, any property, in the brackets if they are given in a problem, in the brackets they are grouped some of the numbers. First we have to do that addition, that problem. Okay, whatever the operation they are given in the brackets. In the bracket once first of all we have to give the priority to that to that operation. So for example here, now 34 minus 62, 64 minus 32 has given. 64 minus 32 has given in the brackets. After then plus 32 has given. So first of all, what do you have to do? Whatever the numbers, whatever the operation has given in the bracket, that one we have to do it the first. Okay, what do you have to do? What in the brackets, whatever the operation has given, first we have to do that one. After then to remaining whatever the number is there, from then to you have to do that operation. Okay, dear children. So once everyone have a look on the screen, dear children. Now they have given one example. So in the addition, first two numbers have grouped. Yes or no? 70 lakhs here, 79 lakhs. First of these two numbers have given in the brackets. Next one is left, like 40,000 is it has given left. So one thing you have to keep it in your mind, if they are given in bracket in any class, when you are going to the inter or a 10th or 7th class, wherever in the next classes here. Now here first at any time if they are given in the brackets, first of all we have to do that operation whatever they have given in the brackets. First of all we have to do it. Okay, first we have to add these two numbers. When we are added these two numbers, we get the answer is 1 crore 50 lakhs, like that it has came. From then to third number we have to add. Then we get the answer this one. Now here when it comes to the grouping property, I changed the grouping. Here they are changed the grouping. They are grouped here the which numbers here? Second and third number they have grouped in that. Okay, second number and third number they are kept in bracket. So when we are added these two numbers, we get the answer is 1,20,000. Here 1,50,000 came, here 1,20,000 came. After then the result it will not change, dear children, in an addition. When it comes to the subtraction, multiplication and the division, it will change the answer. In the grouping property, the answer it will change. But in an addition, when we are change the grouping of the order also, then also we get the same answer. Okay, dear children, have you understood? Okay, now third property. What is that third property? Zero property. So when we take any number, whether it is a 5-digit number or 6-digit number or the 8-digit number, whatever the digit it might be, when we are added with 0 to this given number, we get the answer is the same number itself. Okay, don't have to think that when we are adding 4 lakh with 0, 4 lakh with 0. Here 0 is there, no? The answer we will get is 0. You should not have to think that. When we are adding with the 0 to any number, the sum, the answer will remains the same number itself. Okay? Okay, dear children. Now next, fourth property is one property. In this one property, when we are adding 1 to any number, we get the successor. Successor means already you have known that, no? In the first chapter we have learnt that the number which comes just after the given number is called a successor. After number of any number is called a successor. Okay, just after a given number. Like 3, after which number it will come? 4. 4 is a successor of 3. Okay. Now 7 has given 7. Then 7 is the successor of 6. Okay. Now 436. What is the successor of 436? Means 437 it will come. Okay. Now what is the successor of 4000? What is the successor of 4000? Means 4001. Like that it will come. Okay, dear children. Have you cleared this topic? No? These all properties of addition. Dear children, 5th grade children, you are very I'm getting this response from your class. When I ask you the question to give the answer, means why you are not responding me? 4th grade children, how once you have to join in the 4th grade, then how quickly they are giving the responses to me. 3rd grade also, even though 3rd grade, they are very small. Okay. Hitendra, Harini, G. Pavan, C. Yashwant, Sandeep, where were you? Sushant, Deepika. So dear children, everyone should have to keep it in your mind. When I ask you the question, everyone, I want this response from all of them. Means you are not interested to listen the classes. I hope that. I thought that you are not interested to listen and you are keeping the class here and you are moving some other way. No? Yes or no? No? Then you should have to give the response to me, no? Then already you have grown up, you are able to chat it with me. Already you have known that how do you have to chat it with me. Everything you have known that. Then why you are doing negligence, dear children? Very good, Sushant. Like this, you have to give the response from at any time. Hitendra, where are you? Hitendra, Harini, Vasuki, G. Pavan, Deepika, your wish. So, okay, dear children. So, now when it comes to the, okay, so first exercise. What is that? First practice time means it's nothing but the exercise 1. First exercise, what is that? Add the following. So, here they have given how many numbers, dear children? How many plus has came? 2. Means how many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 numbers have given. But each number has given in a different digits. First number has given in 2 digits and the second number has given in 6 digits and the third number has given in 3 digits. So addition, a small kid also they can do. Even though first grade, second grade, third grade children also they can do easily addition. But here why they have given to you means it's a very important thing is arranging of the numbers in an addition. So first, most of the children what they can do means, first of all they will write 40 and next here if they are given 6 digits also they can adjust it in between of 4 and 0. Yes or no? Most of the children what they can do, they can adjust it in between of 4 they can write it first and 0 they can write it last. It's the wrong answer. It's the wrong way to arrange the numbers. So while we are arranging the numbers in an addition means, first of all you have to give the place values to that given number. And after then you have to place that place values according to that, depending upon the place values in that given number. Okay, dear children. Have you understood? So 40 means here it comes tens and ones only. Now when it comes to the 6,54,321 means in the lakhs place it will come 6, in the 10,000 place 5, in the 1,000 place 4, and in the hundreds place 3, in the tens place 2, and the ones place 1. Okay. Now when it takes to the third number 489, remaining 1,000, 10,000 lakhs place it can be leave. Okay, only that digits only it will come. Remaining from the first number it will remain 0 0, or else we can leave it like that only. And next the third number we have to up to the hundreds place we have to fill it. Remain 1,000, 10,000 lakhs. These places can be empty. Okay, after then you have to add it up. Okay, dear children. Understanding? So see, everyone have a look on the screen here. Page number, this page 54 page. I kept the mouse on this number, dear children. This problem. First number they have given the 8 digits, so that they have kept in that. Next they have given 6 digits. They are written in this way. And next they have given 3 digits, so that they have written this. Remaining all places it was empty. Okay, like in this way you have to arrange the numbers, after then you have to add. Okay, okay dear children, have you cleared on that? No? So now first Roman you have to do the addition. Now fill in the blanks. Please, you have to give the response to me, dear children. So 7,09,801 plus dash here is equal to, after we have 2 digits, but it has given only one number. Which number is not given? Now what is the answer in that blank, dear children? What is the answer here? What is the answer, dear children? Tell me. What is the answer? What is the answer? How many times I have to ask you, dear? Shani, send me the answer. Which number is not there here? Here, order property, dear. First property. Order property. Here, first and second given. This second number has given in the first in this number. And here, which number has to come? I want the response from your side. I won't reveal the answer. Send me the answer for the first blank. Shravani, are you able to hear? Send me the answer for the first blank. Sandeep send. G Pavan, Harini, Sushant. Very good. 4,56,179. It is the order property, no? So where from the order property, second number has not given. So we should have to give in that. Now what is the second blank, dear children? Okay, Shravani. In the class, only Shravani and Shivasai and sometimes Sushant will be also be there. Remaining all of them, they are sleeping, I think. What is the second answer? And you have to do this total exercise part, dear children. And my time is up. So our time is up, dear children. And tomorrow we will continue our session. Thank you for attending the class. And you have to complete it, this fill in the blanks and the missing digits. This one and add the following. So third Raman, how do you have to do? Means everyone have listen carefully. So when you, first of all, when you add these two numbers, you will get it. Now here in this middle, if they did not give it, when you subtract from the answer to the first digit, you will get the answer. Okay? Okay, dear children. So if you did not get the answer, means we have to do in this way. Okay, thank you dear children for attending the class. Bye.